One of my very favorite oils is Citrus Bloom. I love this oil. It is a beautiful, bright, springy, just it makes everyone who breathes it in very happy. Generally, I love diffusing this one. That's one of my favorite ways. I also love it as a personal perfume or pure fume. I'll put a drop in my diffuser locket. I've made room sprays with this oil. It's beautiful in your body lotions and creams, and just a lovely way to start the day with this oil. Emotionally, it supports creativity and joy and makes you feel more energetic and happy, especially as the sun's coming back in the spring. It's a beautiful time to use this oil. And we've got a little great roller blend for you there too. So take a look at that, snap a screenshot, and you can use this for a linen spray as well, or in your dryer balls. Beautiful. Woo! Another one of my faves, guys. Beautiful. It has been one of my favorite pure fumes. Since it first came out several years ago, and it's not a normally available product. So one of my favorite ways to use it is to roll up my hands and then run it through my hair. And it's like you're a walking diffuser. You'll get a whiff now and then. And just like, oh, that's nice. It's the captivating blend. Emotionally, it helps us with our feelings of self-worth and beauty and just tapping into our inner gifts. You can use it to boost confidence. You can see where I applied it, side of neck, back of neck. You can use them over the wrist creases or over your heart center, or simply just rolling it in your hands and breathing it in. This makes a beautiful gift for people. Mother's Day is coming. This would be a wonderful gift for any woman in your life that likes perfume, but maybe is done with the toxins that are in perfumes. Kids love this one. It has this like limey, fruity, but calming aroma. Probably why they love it. And it's just very stress reducing. So that is beautiful touch, the captivating blend. If you are already a doTERRA customer, just know that each of these BOGOs only last for one day and while supplies last. If you're a customer, you want to use the loyalty rewards program so that you can get the most on your investment. So you get between 10 and 30% back on your purchase. If you're purchasing the entire BOGO box and you're an existing customer and you're at 30% back, you're going to get almost 60 points, just over 60 points to spend in the future. So it's an amazing way to get the BOGO box. If you have any questions on that, I've also done a video and posted it about how to order on your LRP and the BOGO box. If you are new and this is like, okay, this is my jam, I want to get started with these oils, I need someone great who's going to support me, I can be your oil gal for sure. We have an amazing community that you can be a part of. And I also do a complimentary wellness consultation with you and provide you with a welcome package and some extra goodies for you to get going. So if that's what you'd like to do and you'd like to get started with me, then you just go to this link on the screen here, bit.ly/doTERRA-get-started. You'll pick your country, you'll pick your region, then the enrollment kits will come up, you'll grab the BOGO box and you'll get going. Just fill in the rest and it ships directly to you. If you've missed the BOGO box and you want to get started, still check out the other kits that we have available and add whatever BOGO of the day is there. I highly recommend the Healthy Essentials kit as one of my most favorite starter kits. If you're on a lower budget, try the Healthy Start kit or the Simple Solutions kit, and you can take advantage of the BOGOs all year long, or any sale we have going on all year long. If you're in the US, again, the wholesale cost of the BOGO box is $189. If you're Canadian, it's $243. That's the wholesale price. You're saving a ton of money this way. So I hope you found that helpful, going through those oils with you, learned a few daily wellness tips that you can use your oils with. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me through the links underneath this video.